In this video, I want to show you how to knit continental style. First, I want you to pay attention how we have our stitches on the needle. Here's the front, and here's the back. So, to knit continental style, all we have to do is pull the front of the stitch, and then we will catch our yarn and pull it through, and again. Just keep practicing. That's how we knit continental style. And pay attention, we work together. We're using our needle, and also we help with our finger with tension. If you like this video, leave a comment below, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you next video.